Resource allocation and management. Project management for strategy implementation. So first, we have the overview. Project management is a structured approach to planning, executing, and finalizing projects according to specific goals and parameters. When applied to strategy implementation, project management serves as a bridge between high-level strategic objectives and on-the-ground operational execution. In the context of resource allocation and management, project management ensures that the necessary resources, human, financial, technological, and time are strategically aligned and efficiently used to fulfill the organization's long-term goals. 2. Importance of project management in strategy implementation. Well, strategic plans often outline broad visions and long-term goals, such as expanding into new markets, launching new products, or undergoing digital transformation. However, these strategies remain theoretical unless they are translated into concrete, actionable steps. That's where project management comes in.
So, how can project management support strategy and tourism? So, project management ensures goals are met efficiently using tools to plan, execute, and track progress. So, illustration. Methodologies ensures that budgets are controlled, timelines are met, and quality is maintained. They also allow for risk management, stakeholder engagement, and performance tracking. So, local example is Bohol. Use project management for ecotourism circuit development. So, multinational example. Marriott manages global sustainability project using structured PM tools. So, number 2. What project selection criteria align with tourism strategy? So, selection criteria should align with strategic goals like increasing tourist arrivals, promoting sustainable tourism, and improving infrastructure. So, illustration. Use a scoring model to rank potential projects based on these criteria before choosing the most strategic ones. So, the local example is El Nido. Choose eco-waste project to protect the environment. So, multinational example. TUI selects green tourism projects aligned with its global strategy. So next is, how should managers monitor tourism projects? So managers should use project management tools and process to track progress against scope, time, and budget. Monitor key performance indicators or KPIs like tourist satisfaction, occupancy rates, or environmental impact. Conduct regular project reviews and audits. Use project dashboards for real-time updates and issues resolutions. So, illustration. Use tools like Gantt charts, project dashboards, or earned value management or EVM to control progress and cost. So, the local example is Cebu. Monitors heritage trail project through monthly reports. So, multinational example is Haltom uses software tools to attract hotels development globally.
What project team structures are most effective for strategy implementation? The best structures are, first, matrix structure. Combines functional and project teams for flexibility and resource efficiency. Second, cross-functional teams bring together diverse skills from marketing, operations, and sustainability. Last, projectized structures. Full-time teams focus solely on project objectives. Illustrations. In a matrix setup, the marketing expert still reports to the marketing director but works on the tourism strategy project under project manager. Local example. Davao formed a team of planners and historians for cultural mapping. Multinational example. Airbnb formed projects teams when launching in new markets. How can tourism organization manage multiple strategic projects simultaneously? Tourism organization can apply project portfolio management or PPM to oversee multiple strategic projects. This includes prioritizing projects based on strategic value and resource availability, allocating in shared resources efficiently, regularly reassessing project alignment with evolving goals. Illustrations. A tourism department might use a PPM tool to visualize ongoing initiatives like infrastructure upgrade, digital marketing, and ecotourism certification, and ensure none is under-resourced or off track. Local example. Philippine DOT runs campaigns and rural tourism under a PPM system. Multinational example. Booking.com uses agile tools to handle global tech and market projects.
So this will be the conclusion of the resource allocation and management. In summary, project management is a crucial enabler of strategy implementation, particularly in the area of resource allocation and management. It translates strategic intent into executable plans, ensures optimal use of resources, and keeps the organization aligned and on track. Without effective project management, even the best strategies risk failure due to poor execution, misuse, resources, or lack of oversight.